fix it. Riding a bike's easy.
Are you going to have time to go biking?
Probably not. I won't meet him done until like 8 o'clock. Damn, they didn't even stop. You want to follow him?
Oh, he's got stopped. He did.
He got him.
Oh,
he didn't stop at the stop sign back
there.
Oh yeah, it's in Karma.
It's a BMW. Oh, they're gonna really hit him hard.
They got him.
And sure.
Is that if you could jump into the other seat, if you weren't constrained by the seat belt, then you know that the chances of that happening for the semi. What if he didn't make it? If he missed by a fraction of a second.
I tell you, this guy was otherwise crazy in all respects.
Well, I mean, I've got to admit. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you, with 150K on it, I would have to advise you against fixing this engine. First of all, I don't know how you know it's just a gasket unless someone's taking it apart. It could easily be a cracked head.
Water vapor into liquid water.
And it gets collected in this vessel where the evaporator is located. And there's a little drain pipe, a little hose actually attached to this that's supposed to take this water.
But I never look at the polls and think, oh, you know what, Hillary has a comfortable lead according to, all of these polls put together and analyzed together. It doesn't mean anything, okay? It means something.
By the way, as we were talking, 54% chance that Donald Trump wins. They moved while we were talking.
This is insane. This is
okay,
insane.
So.
Would offer a little bit of comfort. I need to hear I think you have somewhat of a conscience left. You know what I mean? I think you should,
Ooh, he's gonna pull him over. I'll get to that next. This is Doug Gottlieb, and, you know, look, I have this unbelievable new Mazda. It's so cool. The new Mazda CUV lineup, you gotta go to MazdaUSA.com.
Marshall 2310 car, driving complaint eastbound Highway 60 for mile plus 38. Have a white four-door Chevy sedan, Missouri plate, Charles Robert 5, Victor 7, Lincoln. Been over Logan Center since Worthington.
4784 Wyndham.
Do you want us to keep them on?
10-4, I'll finish up here quick.
Somewhere.
Can you take a look at the VIN number for this 28? So I can't come back.
I ran it through PS Portals, and I got that to come back to a Brian or Alicia